Yes, there was a question to our honorable colleague from the Democratic Republic of Congo.
Merci madame pour votre question. De façon ramassée, je peux dire qu'il n'y a pas de contradiction entre les deux.
To consider the arrest warrants which have been issued by the ICC against the LRA commanders, it is an item in this agreement that first of all the LRA recognized that Uganda has got institutions, has got courts which can handle this kind of crime. They can try the offenders. They want to be tried here. And they said, can you, Uganda government, work on these ICC warrants that have been issued? That issue has been pending. I don't know what the government has done about it. But if they came here, we would try them. We are ready to try them. And that's what they want. But once a matter is handled by ICC, it requires a long process for ICC to deny itself jurisdiction and to allow Ugandan courts to take over. It's a process that we are yet to see if it can unfold.
Maybe both judges will have to address this issue because the victims are talking about peace. What they are concerned with is peace. Can we have sustainable peace without justice? And obviously the contradiction between the Amnesty Law or the local law plus the international criminal, what we call the Rome Statute. So these are the sort of things we need to go into later on after the break.
And I'd like to take this opportunity to thank both Justice Smith and Justice Mukiibi for their presentations.
Look at some of these perpetrators in the eye, face to face. They want to be shielded, to give their evidence when they are shielded in a camera or shielded by modern methods of testifying without necessarily having to look somebody in the face. They fear. Some of them don't want to look at their tormentors, the people who raped them, the people who murdered their relatives. They don't want to see them face to face. It is relieving a traumatizing experience. So they need protection. That is the importance of witness protection.
Yes, that's the purpose of the translation.
De l'ordre judiciaire a confié à la Cour d'appel
how can justice come? We mostly emphasize punishing the perpetrators. So these people stepped out of criminal law and went into civil.
Yes. What is happening between the Amnesty Act, Amnesty Law, and the ICC statute is not contradiction, really. One is stopping the other from operating. As long as we have the Amnesty Law, which grants blanket amnesty to any perpetrators, then we cannot have the operation of the ICC statute. The ICC statute aims at ending impunity, ensuring that whoever has done wrong is brought to book and whoever is involved gets justice. The Amnesty Law does not care what atrocity somebody committed. The Amnesty Law does not ask questions. Actually, the fate of a suspect lies in his own mouth. At any time, the suspect wakes up and declares that I was once involved in a rebellion. Now, I renounce rebellion. I have a gun hidden somewhere. I'm willing to surrender it. The moment he makes that utterance, the law says he is deemed to be granted amnesty. What remains is the process. So the perpetrators have their fate under the Amnesty Law in their own hands. And who is going to wait and stand trial when there is an easy alternative of just speaking and you get off the hook? So it's not just contradiction. The Amnesty Law has stopped the operation of the ICC statute, the ICC Act that was enacted in 2010. The ICD, the International Crimes Division, cannot work because of the amnesty law. Everybody is trying to get off the hook, and it lies in their own hands.
Ask the director to answer the final two questions and possibly have a contribution later from you if we have time. Is that possible, Your Honour?
Yeah, it is very possible.
That's right. I did see your excellent summing up. I'll have to come into one of your courses.
Can I finish on this one? Where was in